Dave Aiken checking in with you and kind of give you an update at the top of every hour or so, kind of show you what's going on out there. We don't have a lot, some cloud cover. You know, we had a little upper level area of snow showers that didn't reach the ground. It's so dry out there. But if you want to see where the precipitation is occurring, you go back out into areas, pushing into areas of eastern Tennessee, but back out towards Nashville, Memphis, over western Tennessee, seeing some frozen precipitation, snow, and even some mixed precipitation a little closer down around Memphis. We'll watch that as we go through time. The problem is we're going to have this moisture come in out of the west, and it's going to be really moving into some extremely dry air. These dew point temperatures are in the single digits, even below zero at some points. So what that means is that the air at the surface is just almost completely dry out there. And we've got to get our air temperature, which is now into the low and mid 20s across the region, some upper 20s. Those numbers need to come a little closer together to see some precipitation develop. So when we look at the radar through the afternoon, you might see some of that precipitation come over the area, but it won't be reaching the ground. It's so dry out there. It's got to moisten up that column of air before it starts to reach the ground. But boy, it's cold out there. The northeast winds don't help. We've got them 10, 15 miles per hour, gusting a little higher than that at times. So it makes it feel, even though we're in the 20s, well below freezing, it makes it feel like it's in the teens across a good portion of the Piedmont and even up into the mountains too. Of course, they're cold too. And they saw a few brief snow showers up there earlier today. We do have our winter storm warning. It has now officially started as of 1 o'clock. So we are under this winter storm warning across the Piedmont. Winter weather advisory down east and an ice storm warning down over portions of the southwestern part of the state. So we're going to stay in this until Monday, this winter storm warning, with our precipitation we're thinking starting later today, late afternoon, maybe even more so into the evening hours. We got to get the moisture in across the area to hit the ground. Starts as some snow, maybe mainly some sleet. Sleet may continue overnight, and then prolonged areas of freezing rain possible as we go through the day tomorrow. And that freezing rain is what we really don't want. It'd be nice to see actually that sleet kind of hang on a little longer through the day on Sunday, but we may change over to freezing rain. Here's our setup right now. There's that moisture that's back out to the west, and it's a pretty wide area here of precipitation, snow, some mixed precipitation as far south as Louisiana and portions of Mississippi too. And here's our area of low pressure we'll watch. It's creating the moisture coming up out of the Gulf right now. Here we are as we go on into later this evening, about 10 o'clock. If there is a quick burst of snow across the Piedmont, wouldn't be shocked by that. But right now, sleet really looks like it's going to be the main player as we go into the overnight hours tonight. Then we'll start to see as we go into the overnight and early tomorrow, we'll see some of this freezing rain line start to push on off to the north a little more. We get into this freezing rain scenario by mid to late morning tomorrow. There'll be some off and on patterns where it'll be drizzly at times and maybe a little more moderate in the afternoon hours. And then we get one more burst of rain in there before it pushes on out as we get on into very late Sunday evening or even into the overnight Sunday night before we get into some very cold air as we get into Monday. So here's our thinking now. This is mainly snow and sleet, but mainly sleet than snow, really 1 to 2 inches possible across the region. Higher amounts off to the north along the North Carolina-Virginia border. And our freezing rain forecast, you get these up above 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. You got some issues with freezing on power lines and branches out there. So our storm trend is closer to Saturday evening start. Less snow, more sleet and freezing rain through this scenario, and we're watching for that freezing rain changeover, especially as we get into tomorrow morning. Our Kara Peters is out somewhere in Winston-Salem. And Kara, what's going on out there? It is certainly cold, isn't it?